Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering UKQ Level 3 Diploma in Supply Chain Management. Supply Chain Management, SCM, is one of the leading prospective careers in the current world. It allows companies to ensure an efficient and sustainable supply of products, from manufacturing to consumers' hands, and cutting the costs. As the global consumer market is growing rapidly, manufacturing companies are now more aware of ensuring better customer satisfaction and capturing the market. That's why supply chain management is a highly desired profession within a growing industry. This UKQ Level 3 Diploma in Supply Chain Management is designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills to start your career in this field. This course covers all the fundamentals of supply chain management and presents in a way that you can understand things well. Warehousing operations. Role of transport. The supply chain. Types of ports. Logistics services. Role of freight. Need and application of business improvement. Range of business. Customer service. The meaning and importance of human resource management, HRM. Team development. Trade. Leaders. Lean techniques. Production planning. Road freight key drivers. Internal and external relationships. Customs and excise. Environmental issues in manufacturing. Components of a MRP system. Types of ports. The role of purchasing and procurement. Legal responsibilities. The role of purchasing. This course is designed to give students an understanding of the supply chain industry, allowing them to further their knowledge and progress within their role. Develop a clear understanding of supply chain management. Understand the key terms of supply chain management and how they are connected with customer satisfaction. Demonstrate the ability to conduct the strategic, tactical, and operational levels of planning for supply chain management. Learn about procurement and inventory management. Learn about sourcing and controlling the flow of products. Understand the different supply chain groups. Learn about supply chain event management. For detailed information, contact us on +9 2336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk. and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.